Hi, welcome to Lesson 8 of the Full Stack Cloud Developer Preview course. In this lesson, we're going to show a registration message to the user after they click the Notify Me email button. Let's get started. Okay, the first thing we're going to want to do is find a Bootstrap modal. So let's go ahead and type in modal and Bootstrap. We're using Bootstrap on our front end. That's our template framework, so we're going to go ahead and use Bootstrap for modal. And let's go ahead and click on this one. And it explains how a modal works. And it has a nice code example that we're going to use. So that's how you use the JavaScript, and that's what it's going to look like. So we're going to go ahead and there's a few of them here. Static backdrop, that one's kind of nice because it makes it so you can't click outside of it. And so let's see what that looks like. Okay, that's nice because see, when I'm clicking it doesn't, you have to actually acknowledge the button. So that's good. So I think that's the one we want. So let's go ahead and copy this. Okay, and then let's go back over to our project. Not wanting to jump there. Okay. Okay, so then let's open the folder. I didn't have it open, that's why. All right. So now let's go into our HTML file. So it's going to be under source, main, and then resource is static, and then our index HTML. And I'm just going to paste that code down somewhere in here. It's not going to be visible at first. So let's just go ahead and put it down here. And it's only going to be visible when we show it. So it's an invisible div right now. So let's go ahead and format it a little bit and then make some changes. We don't need that. So we just need the modal. And then let's highlight this and indent it in properly. We need one more indent in here. Okay. So now let's change a couple things. That's where our content's going to go. So I just had 3 dots there. So let's go ahead and put a message in here. So you've been added to the list. And same as we sent for the email. We'll notify you when registration begins. Okay, so then we need this modal to pop up. Let's go ahead and change this title so that it pops up with the right title. And let's just say we'll notify you. Okay, and it's got that name. And we've got extra buttons that we don't really need. So let's just go ahead and make our close button the OK button for us. And let's make it a primary so it shows up as the right color. And then in our code where we had the console log statement, let's go ahead and show that. So we're going to go ahead and paste in that static backdrop name. And then we're going to say modal show. And this is on that Bootstrap page. Remember when we saw the JavaScript. So that's how we pop that up. And now when we run this, refresh the browser. And we've got our message. That's it. Thanks for watching.